In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign tickets in Zendesk. We'll begin in the Agent workspace. At the very top of the screen, open the main product menu by clicking the small drop-down arrow. From that menu, go straight into the Admin Center. This is your configuration hub, and you'll need the right permissions to make changes here. Once the Admin Center opens, find the Objects and Rules area. That's where you control the behavior of tickets and define how automation should run. Click the icon to enter, then choose Triggers. Triggers are rules that watch for specific ticket conditions and instantly perform actions for you, which is exactly how we'll handle auto-assignment. Click Create Trigger to start. First, give your trigger a clear, descriptive name so anyone can tell what it does at a glance. A good name makes maintenance easier as your automation grows. Add a brief description as well to capture the intent, like who should receive the tickets and why. Then select a trigger category to keep everything organized. Consistent categories will help you and your team quickly locate related rules later. Next, define when this trigger should run. Under Meet all of the following conditions, click Add Condition. For the field, choose Requester and ensure Requester is selected where the interface prompts you. Set the operator to Is, and for the value, select Current User. This narrows the trigger to tickets where the requester matches the user currently interacting with the ticket, so the rule only acts under the exact circumstances you want. With the condition ready, set what happens next. In the Actions section, click Add Action. Choose Ticket, then select S&E. From the list of available people, pick the specific agent who should automatically receive these tickets. This directs qualifying tickets to that person without any manual routing. Before you finish, take a moment to review. You should see one condition that reads Requester is current user and one action that sets the assignee to your chosen agent. Clear names, a concise description, and the right category will help prevent conflicts with other rules and make future adjustments straightforward. When everything looks good, click Create Trigger to save and activate it. From now on, tickets that match your condition will be assigned automatically, reducing manual triage and speeding up response times. If you maintain multiple triggers, remember that order matters. Higher priority rules should be placed accordingly to ensure they run first. And that's how to auto-assign tickets in Zendesk, quickly and reliably.